Sunflower, 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 sunflower. It is called a sunflower. Yellow and black, the bright flower. It is called a happy flower. Sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. It is called a sunflower. Rose, 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 the lovely rose. Rose, 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 the lovely rose. It is called the lovely rose. Pink, red, white, and yellow rose. Its petals are soft with lovely smell. It is called the lovely rose. Daffodils, 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 daffodils. It is called the daffodils. Yellow and white, the daffodils. The trump-shaped daffodils look so nice. Happy, cheerful daffodils. It is called the daffodils. Tulip, 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 tulip. It is called the tulip bloom. It is called the tulip bloom. Red, yellow, orange, and white. Bell shaped like a bulb in the room. Shining bright, the tulips. It is called the tulip bloom. Daisy bright, daisy bright, daisy bright. It is called the daisy bright. Yellow disc and the petals are white. Bees on the daisy are a sight. It is called the daisy bright. Jasmine, jasmine, the jasmine flower. Jasmine, jasmine, the jasmine flower. It is called the jasmine flower. White and fragrant, the jasmine flower. Elegant, beautiful petals they have. It is called the jasmine flower. Marigold, 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 marigold. It is called the marigold. Yellow, orange, the marigold. Cherry blooms of the marigold. It is called the marigold. Lilies, lilies, the beautiful lilies. Lilies, lilies, the beautiful lilies. These are called the beautiful lilies. Pink, red, orange, yellow and white. The three-petal lilies are so bright. It is called the beautiful lilies. Lotus, lotus, bright lotus. It is called the bright lotus. White, yellow, pink, the bright lotus. White, yellow, pink, the bright lotus. Floating leaves on the fragrant lotus. It is called a bright lotus.